We are at Okaru, the Okonomiyaki restaurant in Osaka. This restaurant has been open for 65 years, more known for the local people to enjoy their okonomiyaki, which is Japanese style savory pancake cooked on the table.
Really good with beer.
The table next to us is already started eating it. It looks so good. It smells
You can
freaking
smell
amazing.
the Worcestershire and the mayonnaise together. Awesome.
Two special mix. Kirin, namabiru, ume. Every time when I go order, I get tired already. Actually, my hands are already like a little sweaty.
Does Seonkyoung longest get nervous?
Whatever we don't finish, we take to go. What's that? That's probably akashiyaki. Akashiyaki looks like takoyaki, but the batter is made with only egg, and you dip it in the soup, clear soup. Taste this. This is what I'm talking about. This is what soda that I drink every day when I was in Japan. I'm in Japan now too, but this is what I'm talking about. This is the right one. So far, I didn't get right one.
Homemade soda.
So good.
It is good.
So good. I can one shot this.
Good timing.
Excited. It's our first time eating, even for me, I didn't eat okonomiyaki last trip. So this is our first time okonomiyaki in Japan. Like the real okonomiyaki that you are cooking on the table with your little bit of spatula.
Yeah, the table's like almost like a pancake grill.
So it has minced meat, ground meat, pork. Pork is over there, so just said the pork belly, they're gonna put it later, and octopus, shrimp, squid, oyster. So when you order the okonomiyaki, they mix it in front of the table and pour it on the skillet. What do you call the griddle?
Griddle, yeah.
And then shape it, and then put it on the pork belly right on top, and then they say the wait. So you don't touch it, you just don't mess around, just wait, and little bit patient. I know it's really hard to be patient when smelling like all this. Oh my goodness. After a few minutes, the waiter will come back, flip that over, and cover with a lid. The lid that has nipple on it. Don't touch it. And that's where we are right now. Okonomiyaki is a quite big pancake, so it has a lot of protein inside, vegetable inside. So you have to cover it with a lid like this and let it steam it to chew. So it will cook all the way inside to evenly. Ooh, they float up. He said otoskoshi, but I have no idea what it means.
We were hungry coming here, but if you weren't hungry coming here, looking at it and watching it cook with us will make you hungry.
Yeah.
I'm just like,
Something about food cooking on the table, it is just very special.
and you can hear the sizzle the whole time too. And then they're gonna keep it on the griddle.
Yeah.
And then
This
so
is
it's
the
gonna
serving plate.
stay hot the whole time.
And those who you are wondering about the sanitizing the griddle, people before me ate this same griddle too, they didn't wash it. All this hot heat will kill all the germs, so no worries. And you don't eat out from the griddle. You cut it, take it out to your plate, and then eat it. That way the okonomiyaki will be hot the entire time while you're eating it, from the first bite till the last bite. It's happening, guys. It is happening. So excited.
이게 보니? 보니. 기브인.
So he's gonna do some artwork. So this place is really known for those little artwork too. Ooh. Is it Doku Tower? No, it's Osaka. Tokyo Tower?
大阪だ
Osaka Tower. Ah. Oh, Doraemon! Ah, Doraemon! You know Doraemon? Oh, this is the best. Oh, so cute. Has a lot of ingredients inside, guys. There's a lot of ingredients. Okay, when you're cutting into it, so many chunks stuff. Oh, look at this oyster though.
Jacob's Chef Longest.
Okay, yours is so much prettier than mine. When it's going into the stomach, it's all the same. I got octopus too. 1 point you thought we should order only one, huh? I'm not sharing.
No. Normally sharing is caring. Not when it comes to the special Okonomiyaki.
The flavor is a little different than what I used to have in America. Much more milder. Not super sweet, salty, sour. Overall is very, very mild. Probably from the sauce that their secret sauce that they brought out. Shrimp, whole shrimp. One okonomiyaki is at 1,200 yen, so it's around $10-11.
For the special one, they range from They range from 800 yen to 1,200 yen.
The oyster. Look at the whole oyster. Oh my god. Oh my god. The oyster is so fresh.
That's why in season.
And the whole shrimp, bunch of seafood with the pork belly right on top. Like $10-11 is freaking amazing.
So rich. Still hot though.
So good.
It is good. This is totally different than anything I've ever had. Like, I mean, I haven't had a lot of them, but all of them are like half, like the thickness. Not, I mean, obviously you got all the ingredients. So, oh man.
And the ingredients. The seafood inside is so generous. So generous. The little ground meat actually has a lot of flavor to the pancake too. It's very little bit, but it's mixed really well. So whole entire pancake is meaty too.
Yeah,
because
yeah,
of
it
that.
does. It tastes like that. Because it almost blends into the texture of the pancake itself. Oh man, I was trying to say at the beginning, we should only get one. How big of a fool would that have been? I'm so glad you didn't let that happen. I'm already almost halfway done. I like the outside texture, where it was like fried on the griddle. So good.
Like extra crunch and a little more chewier too. Oh, there's a bunch of pink stuff. I think that's a pickled ginger too.
Yeah, it tastes
That's
it.
where.
I'm really sensitive to the ginger. Sometimes I really like it, sometimes not so much. But then here, it's really good because it's just a little bit. It kind of cuts all the savory part.
Japanese use their pickled ginger in cooking, like Koreans using kimchi. Right? They chop it up and add in a lot of stuff.
I just got part of my oyster.
Oh, and I totally forgot to mention it. The new one.
Really good. Really fresh. Oh, hold on.
And I forgot to mention that when he was doing the mayonnaise art, he brought this Kewpie mayonnaise, but Kewpie mayonnaise on like a little small ketchup pack.
Like ketchup pack, yeah. Ketchup pack size.
Like, where can I get that?
We need that early.
Like, am I the only one who's paying attention to that? No, if you like to travel Japan, and if you mainly travel Japan for food, eating food, then Osaka is a destination you wanna come. Because Osaka is the foodie heaven city. Not Tokyo, not Kyoto, Osaka is a foodie happy city in Japan.
This was the first time I ever went there, and whenever I came, like we got to the Osaka station, I was almost overwhelmed. Like I didn't know that it was that big of a city, and there was that much going on, and like, but there's so many restaurants, and then out here where we're at, how do you say it again? Where we're at right now?
Dotonbori?
Huh? What did she call me?
Dotonbori.
Dotonbori?
Dotonbori.
Dotonbori. I mean, everything's pretty compact because it's a pretty big city, but it's just like there's so much like history here all at the same time.
But to be honest though, Dotonbori is a very tourist spot. So everything, not everything, but a lot of stuff are overpriced. But in my opinion, it's definitely worth to come visit to feel the atmosphere. And around the Dotonbori, there's a lot of places to visit, to eat. I think it's worth it.
Definitely. I think the best part about this is that this time she has hers, I had mine, they're the exact same, so I don't have to share.
Oh, you don't like sharing food with me?
I do, but right now I like not
Is that
sharing.
what you're trying to say?
No, right now I like not sharing as well.
Somehow the seafood inside cooked perfectly. The tender perfection. How do they do it?
All of it, the shrimp, the squid, the octopus.
I was actually worried if it's overcooked.
Oh, because of how long it was on there? Yeah, but no, it's perfect. Like the only thing that I want more of is May and Queens. Because he made the art, 100%, million% cool. But normally they would put it over the entire thing, and that's the only thing I feel like I'm wanting more. Because I really love the mayo. First time I ever had this, I was like, I put mayo, and it's weird. And then now I'm like, oh, you have to have the mayo.
The crispy pork belly right on top. It goes perfect with anything that bubbly drinks.
We should drink champagne with open.
I think the champagne will work too. Oh, it's my last piece. Why your last piece is bigger than mine?
Jelly because I have more than you. Every time I eat a piece of this seafood, I'm like, that's my favorite part. Even the octopus. Remember the octopus is not my favorite. That's my favorite part whenever I eat it. I really didn't know I think we'd be able to finish both of them. I was just down to our last bite.
Oh, at least my last bite has a whole shrimp.
Trying to get that shrimp.
If you ever come to Osaka, eat this Okonomiyaki. It's on Dotonbori, so it's really easy to find. But guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like Okonomiyaki and if you liked this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, we will see you next episode of Life in Japan. And thank you for watching. Bye guys.